Taron Egerton is a convict serving 10 years. He makes a deal with the feds, transfers to a maximum security prison, and tries to befriend a serial rapist and murderer to discover where he buried the bodies. In exchange, Taron will get his freedom. If he fails, this prison is his new home. Blackbird is great. It's a slow burn, dark, thrilling crime story with fantastic performances. Taron is also great as the cocky, confident convict who slowly loses his place and realizes he is not as big or as strong or as well liked as he usually is. Paul Walter Hauser is fantastic as the psychotic murderer whom Taron must befriend. He changes his voice, his mannerisms, his facial expressions to create a really creepy, uneasy and untrustworthy character. Ray Liotta is in this as well, and this is one of his final on-screen performances, and he's really good in it. It may be one of his finest performances ever, as Taron's struggling, ailing dad who loves his son more than anything. Blackbird is a great miniseries. It's only 6 episodes long that kept me thinking and guessing and made me care for the characters in it. The acting is fantastic and award-worthy. The suspense, the thrills, the dark tone are very well conveyed too. It's not going to be for everyone. It might be a little too dark and a little too traumatic, but it is very well done.